তুমি ভাল মানুহ নহয়। You are not a good person. You are not a good person. এইটো 5 টকাৰ হয়। এই বস্তুটো 5 টকাৰ হয়। Its cost is ₹5. Its cost is ₹5. এইটো 50 টকাৰ হ'ব। যেনেকৈ আমি অনুমান কৰোঁ এই বস্তুটো 50 টকাৰ মান হ'ব। Its cost will be ₹50. Its cost will be ₹50. আজি সোমবাৰ হয় নেকি? Is it Monday today? Is it Monday today? তোমাৰ ঘৰত গৈ পাবলৈ কিমান সময় লাগিলে? How much time did you take to reach home? How much time did you take to reach home? মোৰ 2 ঘণ্টা লাগিলে। It took me 2 hours. It took me 2 hours. মই গৈ পাওঁতে তাত বৰষুণ দি আছিল। বৰষুণ হৈ আছিল। When I reached there, it was raining. When I reached there, it was raining. এইটো ভাবিবলগীয়া কথা হয়। It's a matter to think. It's a matter to think. তাত বৰষুণ কেতিয়াও নহয়। It never rains there. It never rains there. তাত প্ৰায়ে বৰষুণ হৈছিল। It used to rain there quite often. It used to rain there quite often. আজি ৰাতি বৰষুণ দিব পাৰে। It might rain tonight. It might rain tonight. তাত যোৱাটোৱেই ভাল হ'ব। It will be better to go there. It will be better to go there. এইটো বহুত পুৰণি যেন লাগিছে। It seems to be very old. It seems to be very old. এইটো নতুন যেন লাগিছে। It seems to new one. It seems to new one. এনেকুৱা তোমাৰ লগতো হ'ব পাৰে। It may also happen with you. It may also happen with you. ভগৱানে তোমাক ডাঙৰ মানুহ বনাওক। May you become a rich man. May you become a rich man. তুমি মোক মনত পেলাই দিব লাগিছিল। You should have reminded me. You should have reminded me. তেওঁৰ অসুখ হয়। তুমি তেওঁক চাবলৈ যাবই লাগে। He is unwell. You must go to see him. He is unwell. You must go to see him. মই তালৈ কেতিয়াবা নহয় কেতিয়াবা যাবলগীয়া হ'ব বা যাবলগীয়া পৰিব। I will have to go there someday. I will have to go there someday. মই এইটোও কৰিব লাগিব নেকি? মানে মই এই কামটোও কৰিব লাগিব নেকি? Will I have to do this too? Will I have to do this too? মই যাব নোৱাৰিম। I will not able to go. I will not able to go. তুমি এইটো কৰিব পাৰিবানে? মানে তুমি এই কামটো কৰিব পাৰিবানে? Will you be able to do this? Will you be able to do this? সকলোতকৈ আগত, যেনেকৈ আমি কওঁ, সকলোতকৈ আগতে মই এইটো কৰিব লাগিব। First of all. First of all. মই তোমাক এটা প্ৰশ্ন সুধিব বিচাৰিছোঁ। I would like to ask you a question. I would like to ask you a question. তুমি কমছে কম বিয়াত আহিব লাগিছিলে। You should have at least attended the marriage. You should have at least attended the marriage. আপুনি কিয় সময়মতে আহিব নোৱাৰিলে? Why could you not come in time? Why could you not come in time? তুমি নিশ্চয় আহিব লাগিছিল। You must have come. You must have come. মোৰ তালৈ সদায় যাবলগীয়া হয় মানে মোৰ তালৈ সদায় যাবলগীয়া পৰে I have to go there daily I have to go there daily তোমালোকে নোযোৱা নেকি মানে তোমালোকৰ কি যাবলৈ মন নাই নেকি Have you people not to go Have you people not to go বাছখন আহি আছে চাগে Bus might be coming Bus might be coming He নিশ্চয় ঘৰ গৈ পালে He must have reached home He must have reached home তেওঁ গুচি গ'ল চাগে He might have gone He might have gone আমি সৰুতে একেলগে খেলিছিলো We used to play together in childhood We used to play together in childhood মই 2 বজাত উঠিছিলো তাৰ পিছত 2 ঘণ্টা পঢ়িছিলো I used to get up at 2 then I would study for 2 hours I used to get up at 2 then I would study for 2 hours He কৈছিলে মোক সহায় কৰিম বুলি He said that he would help me He said that he would help me He জিকিব বুলি মই গম পাইছিলো I knew that he would win I knew that he would win মই কেতিয়াও ভবা নাছিলো যে হি ইমান স্বাৰ্থপৰ হয় I had never thought that he would be this much selfish I had never thought that he would be this much selfish মোৰ সন্দেহ নাছিল I had no doubt I had no doubt মই ভাবিছিলো হি কেতিয়াও নাহে I thought that he would never come I thought that he would never come মোৰ গালি শুনা অভ্যাস আছে I'm used to listen to abuses I'm used to listen to abuses